The coolest thing about 02 dancing memes is that they're truly international. They're paired with a Vietnamese dance song and come from anime in Japan, only to be downloaded as a moving wallpaper worldwide. People see the cute dancing girl and they click on it. It's simple. Originally, the GIF of 02 came from Reddit user dat1guy420 on December 9th, 2019, with the animation copied from Me Me Me, a song created by Teddy Lloyd that became a meme in itself in 2014 for its extremely suggestive music video tackling porn addiction. The earliest adaptation onto Wallpaper Engine of it I could find was uploaded by Puck Summer on the 8th of April this year. Puck said they used motion interpolation to get it to 60 FPS, which makes it look slightly unnatural but adds to the aesthetic somewhat. Although it seems to have evolved into the most common version we see today thanks to Ghost Shadow, who spruced the live wallpaper up a bit on April 14th. 02's dance is paired with the Kai's remix of Vietnamese song Hai Phut Hon by Phao, which translates to 2 minutes more, and absolutely slaps, with the first example of it paired with 02 seemingly appearing on TikTok on November 17th by user Marlena23. Since then, other girls have been added, including the girl sitting on a car from Muse Dash named Maria. However, perhaps demonstrating the addictive rewatchability of this video is the clip of someone's grandpa sitting on a couch and watching it on loop. It's a clear indication of the fact that the animators of Me 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 knew what they were doing when they set out to create a hypnotic dance. And of course, 02 is from the anime Darling in the Franxx, which is also a meme in itself as it's developed by Studio Trigger, which is famous for having high action and high softcore nudity, so it all links up perfectly. Finally, the caption most commonly associated with this meme, point of view you've never felt a woman's touch, blew up in July this year and simply became a new way of applying the neckbeard stereotype, which was a meme back in the early 2010s and continues to this day in different forms. It's interesting how the 02 dance more or less blew up as a trend on TikTok and became something other parts of the internet enjoyed, as it appears to be yet another example of how weirder areas of the internet and TikTok are becoming increasingly intertwined. However, this meme has made it clear that there are tons of people out there who have watched it, or at least parts of it, and gone, hell yeah, I want more of this. What meme would you guys like me to give a lesson in next? Let me know in the comments below.
And remember, like and subscribe! Or else.